Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to activate PayPal on Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, you'll want to find the Settings option, usually located in the bottom left corner. Click on Settings, then select Payments from the menu. This is where you'll manage all your payment providers, including setting up PayPal for your customers. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to get started. Once you're in the Payments section, you'll see PayPal listed as an option. Click on Activate PayPal or Manage to begin the connection. Shopify will then securely redirect you to the PayPal website. Here, you'll need to log in using your PayPal business account details. This step authorizes Shopify to process payments through your PayPal account, ensuring a smooth transaction experience for your customers. After successfully logging into PayPal, you'll be prompted to review and confirm the permissions. This ensures Shopify can manage your PayPal transactions effectively. You can also select specific PayPal payment methods, like PayPal Express Checkout, to offer more flexibility to your shoppers. Once you've made your selections, remember to save your changes. This finalizes the setup, making PayPal a live payment option on your store. Before fully launching, it's always a good idea to perform a test transaction. Simply place a small order on your own Shopify store and select PayPal as the payment method. This helps confirm that everything is working as expected. After completing the purchase, verify that the order appears correctly in both your Shopify admin and your PayPal business account. This ensures a seamless checkout experience for all your future customers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.